What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love.
A daddy Mac will make ya jump, jump. Crisscross will make ya jump, jump. Jump, jump. The Mac that'll make ya jump, jump. A daddy Mac will make ya jump, jump. Crisscross will make ya jump, jump.
You okay?
What happened?
Got hit in the head playing basketball.
Where are my clothes?
Ian took them all.
I got my head shaved by a jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing is. No. When I feel heavy metal, and I feel that I
With their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns in your head, they are dying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head, zombie, zombie.
Yeah, heel toe, do-si-do. Come on, baby, let's go boot scoot. Oh, Cadillac, blackjack, baby, meet me out back. We're gonna boogie. Oh, get down, turn around, go to town, boot scoot, boogie.
What in the name of Father Time is happening? That was terrible. You were awful. No press, please. No press.
Outside, inside out, she's living la vida loca. She'll push and pull you down, living la vida loca. Her lips are devil red, and her skin's the color mocha. She will wear you out, living la vida loca. Outside, inside out, she's living la vida loca. She'll push and pull you down, living la vida loca. Her lips are devil red, and her skin's the color mocha. She will wear you out, living la vida loca. Living la vida loca. She's living la vida loca.
In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spend most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air."
Can you take You are my fire, the one desire. Believe when I say I want it that way. But we are two worlds apart, can't reach to your heart when you say that I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Am I your fire, your one desire? Yes, I know it's too late, but I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Now I can see that we've fallen apart from the way that it used to be. Yeah, no matter the distance, I want you to know that deep down inside of me, you are my fire, the one desire. You are. Don't wanna hear you say nothing. Ain't nothing but a mistake. I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.